Give me thumbs up. If you have given me thumbs up, thank you so much. Love you. Love you so much. So let me know if you're a YouTuber. If you are a YouTuber, let me know. It is late here, but I cannot sleep. I decided to come out to see my friends, to see you guys. Love you guys. So this message is heard for review. Why is it heard for review? I don't understand. Yeah, I know. Sometimes YouTube does that. There are some comments there that they always say the message is heard for review. Okay. After I will check anyway. So how is your weekend going? Let me know the time of your country you are chatting from. What's the time there? Here is actually 10. Sleep well. Here is actually 10:53. Yeah, 10:53. That is 22:53 o'clock. Just it's about to get into midnight. 1 hour and more for to midnight. And yeah, and I am in Germany. If you today is your first day joining, I'm from Biafra land, but I'm living residing in Germany with my family. Thank you so much for joining. If you are watching, please give me thumbs up. You can as well share my live. Okay, I do come live mostly in the weekend time. Sometimes I come with doing my night routine, or I can come cooking, because here on my channel here I do a lifestyle. A lifestyle comprises of cooking, makeup, anything beauty, everything about me. Generally I do it here. And whenever you join me, feel free to check my old videos and feel free to check other of our videos. You may like what I do. If you do like it, please follow me, like, always share my videos. Love you guys. Love you guys. Thank you so much for joining. I can't understand what you are writing. Can you understand me? Okay. E is chatting. Thank you so much, E, for chatting. Although I can't read it, but anyway, chatting is chatting. Maybe later I can check it out and translate and see what you are chatting. But for now, I can't understand. So what I was saying before, what YouTube, wonderful feature YouTube added on our channel is so awesome. Is so great. Oh, YouTube, thank you so much for this. The time I read it and said, wow, YouTube is going far. YouTube, you are wonderful. You are wonderful. YouTube, you are wonderful. I love doing YouTube now since I saw this. A wonderful email. Before they added that you can make a long shot of from 1 to 3 minutes, or from one to there about 3 minutes or 5 minutes or thereabout. And that one was also wonderful. And they can share it. And this last one they added on my channel, and I'm very lucky to be among the people that received this dub of a thing. I'm very lucky. I'm telling you the truth. Because there are some channels who started when we started, they don't have it. They don't have it. Believe me, they don't have it. Because there are some people who started their YouTube channel joining when I started. They don't really have it. I think they added all these things for people who consistently posting, or people who are taking their channel serious. I don't know. I don't know if I'm not mistaken. I understand that there are some people who have this dub, this translation of a thing. There are people who don't have it. And according to YouTube, they say there are some channels for now who don't have it. But I don't know if later they might decide to add it on their